Why do we snore? Well, snoring happens when air struggles to move smoothly through your nose and throat while you sleep. The relaxed tissues in your airways start to vibrate, and that vibration creates the rumbling sound we call snoring. It's more common if you sleep on your back, have nasal congestion, or if your throat muscles relax too much during deep sleep, while snoring is usually harmless. Sometimes it can signal a serious condition like sleep apnea, which is a disorder where you stop breathing repeatedly during sleep. So if you or someone next to you snores really loud, it might be a sign of something more than just a sleepy airway.